Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to connect it without internet in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again, click on restart your device. Now go back. After that, restart router. Now restart router. And after that, reset network settings. Again, open settings. Scroll down. Click on general management. Click on reset. Click on reset network settings. Here you will see reset settings. Now click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb. Again open settings. Search do not disturb. Now click on do not disturb. Here you will see do not disturb, and if you want to turn off do not disturb, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, do not disturb will be turned off from your phone. This is how you can fix connected without internet in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.